Hey guys, Jake's Aviation here, and we're back with another model unboxing video. This time it is of a very special model, and a model that means a lot to me. I'm super fortunate to have gotten it as it sold out really fast, and I have not been able to find it really anywhere else. But it is my hometown airline, Cayman Airways 737-800 MAX. I know with everything in the MAX, it's still grounded and whatnot. I got this plane, I think it was, I got it even when the MAX had been grounded. It was after the MAX had been grounded. But nonetheless, this is a fantastic model. I am so happy that I was able to catch this before it sold out. It's an Aeroclassics model. The Latin edition, which I gotta say, there's a few things about this box which are kind of funny. One, the flag for Cayman is not on the box with all the other flags, which is kind of sad. And two, we're not actually shown on the map, which is printed on the box, which is kind of sad. We would be kind of right in this little area right here, and we're not marked. So that's kind of sad considering it's a Cayman Airways model, and we are in the Caribbean and whatnot, but oh well. Anyways, this box is really, really nice. It's a beautiful box. I love how they did the map on it and everything. As you can see, registration is Victor Papa Charlie in the Whiskey, so VPCIW, and this is the first MAX Cayman Airways received. We have two in our fleet. Both are grounded. We have CIW and CIX. I believe, yeah. But anyways, let's get to this. I don't remember where I got this. I bought it like right after it came out, but it sold out really fast, which I was surprised. But this is the first 1/4 scale model I've seen, or Cayman Airways model, should I say, that I've seen made. I don't have any other Cayman Airways models in 1/4 scale or anything, which is kind of sad, but this, I am so happy, and I do hope they make more, especially if someone can make the 737-300, and then Cayman Airways, I would probably buy like 4 or 5 of them, unless, hopefully they could do a fleet, which would be nice. But anyway, this model is amazing. It's Aeroclassics, so it's not the same quality as Generators or Phoenix in terms of antennas and all that fun stuff, or rolling gear, but it's still a really nice model, to say the least. I just can't get over how happy I am, or how lucky I was to get this, and how thankful I am that someone made it in the first place. So yeah, let's get that off there. Whoops. So I can't really put it on the box unless I put it upside down, so what I'll do. This model is phenomenal. The level of detail is really high in terms of like the accuracy of the actual graphics. So yeah, here we have it, the Cayman Airways 737 MAX 8, and we have the Cayman Airways logo with Sir Turtle. That's that, and we have the first MAX in the Caribbean printed there. Cockpit windows are all really nice and detailed. Moving along, the engines are really nice. The overwing exit markings are spot on. And then coming down, we have VPCIW with the Cayman flag, which is really nice and accurate. And then it says Boeing 737 there, I believe. So then I got to note the splits. It's kind of hard to see, but there we go. The splits are, considering the splits are so small, I'm really shocked that they got that detail just about spot on. Obviously it's a little hard on the inner ones, but still, it's beautiful. I can't complain considering this is all I got for a 1/4 scale Cayman Airways model. Then we have the tail, which is really, really nice. Wow. It's got our coat of arms on it. That's our tail. And we're gonna flip to this side, so we have, you know, same thing, but this time we have the cargo door, baggage door right there, and right there. Underneath, nothing fancy underneath of the plane. The engines are pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty detailed. It's not focused, there we go. And you know, there's a little bit of markings and whatnot, but yeah, and then we have the registration underneath. But yeah, guys, this model, and then, you know, we have the splits again on the side, but this model is incredible. I am so happy I have this. I do hope that someone can make more Cayman Airways models in the future, because this is my hometown airline. This is what I grew up seeing, and it is beautiful. I just noticed there's a bit of a gap in the tail right there, which, it's alright, no biggie. Still a fantastic model. Overall, really nice. So yeah, this one's a very special one, and I think this one didn't go to LA. Obviously Cayman Airways does not fly to LA. They might in the future. They fly to Denver. I think they're considering it, but with the MAX being grounded, well, that's not gonna happen anytime soon. So yeah, but anyway, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this. This model is probably one of my favorites in my collection, or if not like the top model I have in my collection, just because it's my hometown airline, and it is, the detail and the accuracy is there for it. Now, if Phoenix Models or Gemini Jets made a version of this, I'm sure it would be a little bit nicer, because they would actually have the antennas and whatnot. But nonetheless, this model by Aeroclassics, they really did a good job with it. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed, and like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Take care.